So here we're looking at problem 3G, and this is from homework set number 6. The solution to this problem is that the slope has to be 2x plus h, and also the restriction on h is that it can't be 0.
For problem 6G, we need to find the slope of the line containing this point and this point. We also need to determine what needs to be true about h. So let's find our slope. Our slope is the change in y over the change in x. So my change in my y is the difference between these two guys. So that'll be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared. Okay, and we're going to divide that by the difference in these guys, which is x plus h minus x. So our numerator, we can cancel out the x squareds. Okay. So once I cancel these guys out, what am I left with? I'm just left with 2xh plus h squared, and the denominator I can cancel out just the x's, and I'm left with just h. So what is that equal to? Well, in the numerator we can factor out an h, and now I can cancel. Now, here's the important thing. I'm going to say that this guy right here is going to be equal to 2x plus h over nothing, right, over 1. So what we're trying to say is that the slope, we're trying to say that this guy right here is equivalent to this guy right here. Well, they're actually not the same. Okay, if you graph these out, they look really, really close to each other. The difference is that this guy has a hole when h, so there's a hole when h equals 0. So in order for these two guys to actually be equal to one another and for us to cancel out this h, we need h to not be equal to 0. So what must be true about h? H can't be 0. You can think about it as making the denominator 0, but more importantly, it's that we want to take this guy here and we want to say that it's equal to this guy here, and they're actually not completely equal to each other, only for every other value except for when h is 0. So it's really important that you understand that.